Hi guys! Today we'll learn about these sound words. Yeah, we have the title, Explore the sound of D. You know what the word explore means. Explore means traveling to a place in order to learn about something new or to find out something valuable such as gold and diamond. Uh, okay, we'll explore we'll explore the sound of D. Let's move on. The goal of today's class is that I can understand sentences with alliteration in D sound. Wow, a typical word came out, alliteration. But I'll explain this word later. So now we'll read the class rules. Yeah, read along and loud. First, be on time. Second, be responsible. Third, be respectable. Fourth, English only. Yeah. But these days, because we're taking online classes, we got a different version of the lure. Friday, you'll be given online class with Zoom. I will show you these rules again. Yeah. Next, this time we'll learn about English classroom English. Okay, every time taking an English class, we'll read these sentences. There is something to remember. If you use even one of these sentences, you made a great performance. Please read along and speak aloud. Today I will learn about. Today I will learn about. Today I learned about. Today I learned about. Yesterday we learned about. Yesterday we learned about. Yesterday I learned about. Yesterday I learned about. Got it? Did you get it? Yes, I did. Yes, I got it. No, I didn't. No, I didn't get it. Are you with me? Are you with me? Is it clear? Is it clear? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Get it? No, no. Got it? Did you get it? Yeah. And now it's time to review. At first, we are going to review the words. I will show you pictures ahead and then try to guess. What is it? Yes, it's to explore, to travel to a place in order to learn about something new. Next, wait a minute. What is it? Yes, it's a picture, a drawing, or a painting, or a photograph. Another one. What is it? Yes, it's a fiddle. I said, sometimes we call a violin a fiddle. Next, yeah, in the box, he's washing the dishes. Okay, dish. There are a lot of instruments. Yeah. Next slide. What is it? What are they? They are strings. Strings means a rope or a wire. Next, people. People means many persons. Yeah. Next. I like this picture. It's funny. It's funny. Funny buddy makes us laugh. What is it? Yeah, it's cow. I said a male cow is called a bull. A female is a cow. What is it? Yeah, he's taking a nap. Napping is to sleep for a minute during the day. Next slide. It's a zoo. Zoo has a lot of animals. Animals are living things that move along. Next. It's a farm. A farm is a place for growing crops and keeping animals. It's farm. Next. Make believe. It is that people believe something is real. Pretend. Next. What is it? It's a paw. The foot of some animals. Last one. Batman. Yeah, is touching his chin. Final slide. What is she doing? Yeah, she is covering new place with telescope. Yeah, she is discovering. Next. These are the characters who are in the movies. Characters. Character means a person in a book or a film. Oh, what is it? Nursery. Nursery school is a school for the children between 3 and 5. Yeah. What is it? Yeah, it's a question. Okay, what is it? She is chewing. Okay, did you get all the words? This time, we'll leave the key expressions we learned last time. First, yeah, let's get ready to play the violin. Lead along, let's get ready to play the violin. Second, yeah, it could really happen. It could really happen. Last, we learned about the idea of leer and pretend. We learned about the idea of leer and pretend. Okay. Now we are going to learn new words in a new lesson. First, yeah. Is it dance? What kind of dance? Do you know what that kind of dance is called? Yes, it's a popping. Yeah. What does the word pop mean? Another picture. I'll show you it. Wow, a balloon goes up and then bursts out. It sounds pop. Yeah. So the word is pop. And next, there are flowers on the grass. We call these flowers as daisy. Yeah. Another one. It looks like they are chilling. Yeah, it's hooray! 만세! Wow! Yeah, we call it hooray. Hooray! And next, This is the word that I wanted to explain. When we make a sentence, making the first letter of every word the same letter, we call it alliteration. In this sentence, on the slide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words has the same first letter, H. Yeah. Alliteration. On the contrary, we make the sentence that has lines ending in the same sounds. Place, face, race, disgrace. Yeah, boast, toast. We call it what? Rhyme. Rhyme. Okay. Next, the alphabet bow, or what is it? Yeah, uppercase letter. And things below are lowercase letter. Another picture is showing us, yeah, dim light. Dim light. Dim light is not bright or not shiny. Dim light. Dim light. Dim light. Okay. Next slide. This baby now wears a piece of clothes. It is tied around the baby's neck, and hang downward. They wear them while eating or drinking. Yeah, what is it? It's a bib. And another picture. Yeah, some bees drink their honey. There are many hexagon looms, small hexagon looms under their feet. It is a bee's house. In other words, what is it? It is hive. It is a hive. Next word. Huge lake, a lot made of wood, is over the water. It is for us to help people to get on all of the boat. Of the boat. Yeah, it is called a dock. Dock. No dog. Mong mong. No mong mong. No dog. Dock. Yeah. Wow, how beautiful it is. What is it? Yes, it is a deer. When the sun goes down, we find out the surroundings get black. We can say that it gets dark. It gets dark. It is dark. Yeah. Next, oh, it is a desert snake. Yeah. She's moving on the sand. How? She's slithering. Slithering. Yeah, it is the same with sliding or gliding. Slithering. Wow. A woman jumps into the water beautifully. Someone moves downward to the water. We call it diving. Dive. Next. Yeah. Yeah, what is it? We know it. You know it where, right? It is a donut. Donut. Not Dunkin'. Not Dunkin'. It is a donut. The next slide can also tease you. Oh, what is it? It's a piece of strawberry cake that I like the best. Yes, it is a kind of dessert. Dessert. Mm, yeah, dessert. Oh, now you have the last two words. First one is this picture. Some of you know the boy's name. Yes, his name is what? Dash. It's Dash. To dash is to run very quickly towards somewhere. Is there anyone who wants to have the superpower like him? Yeah, last one. Dash. It's a dash. Last one. It is a coin worth 10 cents in the US and Canada. What is it? Yes, it's dime. Dime is 10 cents worth money. Okay. The word study is over. Now we'll learn the key expression. First expression we'll learn is dime. Key expression. What will pop on the playground today? What will pop on the playground today? What does this mean? Yeah. 오늘 운동장에 어떤 것이 나타날까요? We can use this expression to make other sentences like this. What will pop in the horror movie? Have you ever seen the horror movie with monster and ghost? In my childhood, I could not see that kind of movie. Monster, ghosts, I didn't like them. Yeah. Another expression. Secondly, we'll learn an expression. Time to move on. Time to move on. What does it mean? 다음 단계로 넘어가야 할 시간이야. Yeah. 다음 단계로 넘어가야 할 시간이야. Do you remember the similar expression a few days ago? Yeah. It is time to finish our class. Hooray! Yes. This expression, the same expression with that. But the expression of it is omitted. You can say that time to move on another topic, or time to read the next chapter. Yes. The third expression is it looks like I blah blah. Yeah, it looks like I've stumbled upon the D sound today. Read along. It looks like I've stumbled upon the D sound today. 나는 오늘 D 소리를 들은 것 같아. Yeah. You can say that it looks like I'm dreaming. It looks like I'm dreaming. But we use these expressions more often like this. I'm dreaming. I feel like I'm dreaming. I feel like I'm dreaming. I feel like I'm hungry. I feel like I'm sleepy. Yeah. You can also say that it looks like I become a Daniel in the Bible. No, Daniel? Oh, yeah. It looks like I become Daniel in the Bible. If you read the Bible more and more every day, especially the Bible Daniel, you feel like you become a Daniel in the Bible. Yeah. Fourth expression, let's keep slithering. Slithering means sliding or gliding like a snake moving. This sentence means 계속 가자. Yeah. But you can also say let's continue. Let's continue. In the Bible, you can find out this expression. Let's make a covenant, you and I. A covenant is like a promise. Fifth expression is you're going to. You're going to. You can usually change the expression, change the word are going to into will. You can use the word will. It is a called helpful mode. But later I will explain it. Yeah, in the movie Shrek, you're going to find out a talking donkey with a big mouth. Yeah. In the Bible, Moses said to the Israelites, "It is a Sabbath day. You will not find the manna in the field." Yeah, you will not find it in the field. Sixth addition is let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you how it's done. Let me show you how it's done. 어떻게 그렇게 되었는지 보여줄게. Let me show you how to use chopsticks. Let me show you how to use chopsticks. 젓가락 사용하는 법을 보여줄게. Yeah. Let me show you how to cook the spaghetti. Yeah. In front of T-Express of Everett, let me show you how it feels. Go! Are you ready to shout aloud? Seventh expression is you can roll over the headphones if you need to hear the D sound. D 소리를 들을 필요가 있다면 헤드폰을 벗을 수 있어. I can translate these expressions into Korean, but you can use these expressions such as you can go if you need to study. 10 minutes left. If you can go, you may go if you need to study. If you need to clean your face, wash your face. Anyway, I can give it to you if you need it. I can give it to you if you need it. Yeah. What is it? Money? I can give it to you if you need it. Bible? I can give it to you if you need it. But the wisdom, I cannot give it to you if you need it. Yeah. You have to learn. Yeah, today last key expression is I want to give it to you. Super job. 아주 잘했어요. Great job. 너무 잘했어요. What a great job. 정말 잘했어요. Now we are going to listen to a song. Yeah, on the computer you can find out the compass running, and there is a song that can they can uh, that you can listen to. Mm, mm. Now we are going to listen to a song. Listen to the song. You can hear this song on the computer again. Are you ready?
Come on along and sing a song. I'll sing it once, then we can sing it together. Here it goes. Today I heard the letter D. It said to me, D, D, D. Today I saw the letter D in words like duck and dog and dish. The letter D, the letter D. Come and sing it with me. The letter D, the letter D. Let's say the letter D. D. Now sing it with me. Today I heard the letter D. It said to me, D, D, D. Today I saw the letter D in words like duck and dog and dish. The letter D, the letter D. Come and sing it with me. The letter D, the letter D. Let's say the letter D. D.
D.
Super job, partner. I'll see you next time.
See you next time. Did you enjoy the listening? Yeah. Now is the time to end. Before we finish our class, we'll learn about today's new words. Okay, it's today's review time. If I turn over the pictures one by one, just shout the correct answer. Shout the correct answer. Yeah! Yeah, what is it? Yeah, it's a pa! What is it? Yeah, it's a daisy! What is it? It's a hooray! Shouting hooray! What is it? It's an alliteration. Alliteration. Yeah. It is a difficult word. What is it? Yeah, it's a rhyme. It's a rhyme. What is it? Yeah. It's a upper class. It's an upper class letter, a lowercase letter, a lowercase letter. What is it? It's a dime light. What is it? It's a beep. What is it? It's a hive. What is it? It's a duck. Duck. Yeah. What is it? It's a deer. What is it? It's dark. It's dark. What is it? It's a slithering. Slithering. What is it? She's diving. She's diving. It's a diving. Dive. What is it? It's a donut. Donut. What is it? It's a dessert. Dessert. Strawberry cake. A piece of strawberry cake. What is it? Yeah, he's dash. He's dash. What is it? It's a dime. It's a dime. Now we have finished our class, and then I'll give you homework. Wow! Yeah, here are 7 codes. Wow! But in language school, on your right side, you just do things. Yeah. In the red box. Wow! Only in the red box. Things only in the red box. Okay. Yes, I'll allow you to do only these 2, sentence speaking and sentence writing. Yeah. So you do your homework until this Friday. Oh, next day, tomorrow you have no English class. Oh my God, that's too bad. Okay, today's class. Uh, is it funny? Yeah, I'll miss you. And see you next class on Friday. Bye bye.